Welcome, parents. I'm going to show you today how to set up appointments with your child's teachers on Calendly and bookings. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the Sunset Virtual Dashboard, which is located at this website, sites.google.com/dallasisd.org/sunsetopenhouse2021. Once you've clicked on that link or once you've opened up that website, this is the screen that you'll see. And the important part for booking an appointment with a teacher is these buttons across the top. So depending on the department of the teacher that you're trying to reach, you're going to click on one of these icons. If you do not see the subject for your teacher, then hover over the More option, and that will show you other options for reaching and contacting teachers. So let's say that you are trying to reach a science teacher. You would click on Science. Then you would look for your teacher in the list. If, for example, you were trying to set an appointment with Ms. Mystery, you would go down to her image. Underneath her image, you see her email address, a Bitmoji classroom for her, as well as a place where you can book an appointment. You click on Bookings, and it brings up this page, which allows you to set up an appointment. So her availability is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. And you'll see that depending on the day, she will have different times available. So for example, if you're only available in the morning, you can click on 8:20 and then you will scroll down. You will see a spot for you to add your name, your email address, and your phone number. Please enter all of those so that way we have good contact information for you. And then if you scroll down further, you'll see that you need to enter the name of your child. If you do not have that option, please put the name of your child under notes so that way the teacher knows which student they're going to be answering questions about and discussing. Then, if your teacher has enabled this, you can click on Get Booking Confirmation and Reminder via text message, and you'll get reminders about your appointment. Then you click Book, and you will be able to book an appointment. While some teachers are using bookings to set up their appointments to meet with parents, other teachers are using Calendly instead. So let's say instead of Miss Mystery, you were trying to set up a meeting with Miss Alvarez. You would click on Calendly under her name, which will open up that calendar for her. She has multiple options, so you would click on 15-minute meeting. And you'll see the days that she's available are highlighted. You click on one of them, and it will show you what times she's available. So you click on a specific time, you click confirm, and this is where you would enter all of your information, including your name, your email, and under please share anything that will help prepare for our meeting, put the name of your child so that way the teacher knows who they are going to discuss, which of their students they are going to meet with you about. And that's it. Once you've done this, you are ready to meet with all of the teachers of all of your children. Thank you. Have a great day.